say hi, Dada? You guys want to switch milks?
Dada.
Where's Dada? A comb and a brush and a bowl full of mush. And a quiet old lady who was whispering, hush. And this one? What's that one? That one's quick as a cricket. You want yummy yucky or quick as a cricket? Oh, which one do you want? Which one should we read? Which one? This one or this one? Which one? This one? Quick as a cricket? Okay. Quick as a cricket. I'm as slow as a snail. I'm as small as an ant. I'm as large as a whale. I'm as sad as a basset. I'm as happy as a lark. I'm as nice as a bunny. Yeah. I'm as tough as a rhino and as gentle as a lamb. I'm as brave as a tiger. I'm as shy as a shrimp. I'm as tame as a poodle, and I'm as wild as a chimp. I'm as lazy as a lizard. I'm as busy as a bee. You put them all together and you got me all done.
Mama.
Which page is your favorite? I think you like this one the best. I'm as loud as a lion. What does Gigi, what does the lamb say?
What's a lamb say?
Or what does the lion say?
Lamb was
Bah, bah. What does a clam say? A clam says
nothing. Clams don't
I'm
talk.
quiet.
See? Gigi's the camera woman.
Hi. Hi, Gigi.
Dada.
Whoa,
Hi.
Dada. Dada.
that's Mama.
Hi. Hi. Hi, Gigi. Hi. Hi.
Mama.
This is our house.
Okay. Okay, baby. Ready for a kiss from Gigi? Kisses! Give your kissing. Give your kisses, Gigi. Boom. Say night. Say I love you. I love you.